We lead the way with our range of three-stage air-cooled starting air compressors. Also for high-pressure compressors, there's nothing more modern than Sauer & Son. And now I'd say we're one of the leading compressor suppliers for shipbuilding in the world. It's important for the owners to have low maintenance, reliable, long life and cost-effective compressor products. And everything points to the starting air compressors of Sauer & Son. We use the most modern technology there. It's also very important that after delivery of a compressor, our service does not stop, but then correctly keeps going. With its extreme demands on quality and reliability for all technical components, international shipping is the traditional field of work at Sauer Compressors. In order to minimize costs with building and operating ships, Sauer developed the three-stage air-cooled compressor at the beginning of the 1970s. This development saves maintenance and manpower costs, as well as reducing installation costs. Sauer compressors are also the preferred choice for offshore oil and gas applications. They take care that the modern semi-submersible drilling platforms can easily manage wave heights up to 8 meters. The motion compensation system, which is required for this, based around hydraulic cylinders, pressurized by WP5000 compressors. In doing so, today Sauer compressors help to secure the oil supplies of the future. The three-stage air-cooled Sauer compressor is one of the most efficient starting air compressors for the shipping industry in the world. The division of the total pressure into 3 stages leads to low compression temperatures, even within high ambient temperatures. While a large honeycomb radiator ensures sufficient cooling for the first 2 compression stages up to 10 bar, a fin-type tube cooler is used in the final stage, in which the air is then compressed, if required, up to 40 bar. A fan directly connected to the crankshaft provides the cooling effect by pulling the cool air through the honeycomb radiator, guiding it over the fin-type tube cooler and the cylinders, as well as over the oil sump. The cylinders are equipped with large cooling fins. Combined suction and pressure valves operate in the first stage, frictionless reed valves in the high-pressure stage. In comparison to the 2-stage water-cooled compressors, Sauer 3-stage air-cooled compressors reduce compression temperatures from 270 degrees down to 200 degrees centigrade. Even the flash point of standard mineral oils, which is used in crankcases of main propulsion engines, is not achieved. The advantages are, unlike in 2-stage water-cooled compressors, the valves do not coke, so that the use of expensive synthetic oils is not necessary. The maintenance intervals for the valves is extended from 500 to more than 2,000 hours. Due to the simple fact that the supply of cooling water is eliminated and fewer interfaces are required, air-cooled compressors are easier to install, monitor and maintain. As a result, today the Sauer 3-stage air-cooled compressor is the fundamental part of a modern and advanced shipping operation concept of many forward-thinking and successful shipowners. A vast market that has now opened up for us is for industrial products. Sauer compressors in industry are used in steel plants, in the plastic industry, and also as breathing air compressors. We have large hydroelectric power plants and are #1 for atomic power plants. Our compressors can be used in pressure range anywhere between 7 and 400 bar. For the industrial market, they are modified standard products. It's clear now that with our new compressors, we engineer exactly what this market requires. Sauer compressors for industrial use are among the most modern in the world. They control important processes and production in various areas of industry in which high-pressure air or neutral gases are required. They are efficient, reliable and safe, and offer the most cost-effective solution. Significant investment and operating costs can be saved with the intelligent use of Sauer compressors. Especially with optimized solutions, the best possible efficiency of the compressor is guaranteed throughout its life cycle. This starts with the selection of the right compressor and ranges from installation, ventilation and control, through to monitoring and complete compressor protection. Every customer is given detailed and competent advice and taken care of in order to achieve both intended technical and economic targets. This covers everything from the planning phase through to after-sales service. Sauer Compressors, the specialist for missing pieces, supplies technically high-quality and robust compressors with all of the accessories ranging from individual modules to complete solutions and turnkey systems. Quality and expertise are based on decades of experience, which Sauer has gained in the demanding shipping industry, as well as complex projects for warships. We're #1 for Navy compressors worldwide. For the quality and reliability demanded, we again lead the way. All large navies have our compressors, whether it's the Royal or US Navy, or for France, Spain, Germany, Singapore, Korea, Greece. Not many manufacturers can fulfill all these different classification requirements. Maintenance costs surely also play a role, but reliability and availability are always underlined. Sauer Compressors has especially gained a leading global position in the field of naval compressors. Sauer Compressors for the Navy were specially designed for demanding applications on submarines and surface battleships like frigates and aircraft carriers. They therefore essentially differ from other standard compressors available in the market. The typical design features of Sauer Navy compressors are the space-saving design, minimal weight, the lowest sound and structure-borne noise levels, high shock resistance, reliability with easy servicing and longer times between maintenance. Sauer gained its reputation as a reliable supplier of high-quality Navy compressors for the German Federal Marines. Sauer compressors are now used on board the ships of more than 50 navies worldwide, including the British and US Navy. Sauer makes use of its years of experience in this field and the synergy within an international operating group to strengthen its position and develop even further. As an example, the compact and low-vibration axial piston compressors used in French nuclear submarines. Another example is the Navy compressor WP5000. With this product development, Sauer offers future compressor technology to navies today. The essential design feature of the WP5000 is the vertical crankshaft with the 4 cylinders arranged radially around it. A very low level of vibration is achieved above the mounting due to the full balancing of the free mass forces. The WP5000 is shock resistant and adheres to all international standards. The coolers are generously sized in all stages. Direct cooling with seawater is possible with pressures up to 50 bar. The cooler inserts can easily be removed and cleaned from both sides. Their design prevents thermal stress and breaks. Dry liners and the hermetic separation of the water, air and oil circuits guarantee high reliability. Long intervals between maintenance for the state-of-the-art valves and simple valve checks are significant maintenance advantages, even when using codified mineral oils. The short valve covers save space during installation and maintenance. Sauer Compressors today, with its compressors and its global production and sales location, is market leader in the field for naval compressors. We have everything in our own hands. We have our own manufacturing. We produce the crankcases, and we produce the entire package of the compressors. That is the great strength of Sauer & Son. We don't just supply a standard product, but products which are specially engineered for the application. We actually develop a new compressor each year just to keep our position in the market. Each machine is run for 16 hours in our test area. The customer feels very secure in our hands, and he knows he's always dealt with very capably and quickly. Sauer Compressors can look back at more than 125 years of experience and tradition. The company started with the development and production of its own range of high-pressure compressors in 1930. This has now turned into a modern development and production facility for technically demanding and economically efficient compressors. Sauer Compressors today has gained a leading position in the industrial and shipping sectors and is the market leader for naval compressor applications. With highly developed compressor technology and its unique wide spread of products, Sauer offers both dependable and cost-saving compressors at the same time. The recipe for success is that Sauer Compressors is engaged in business throughout the world, yet is close to the customer. It is aware of their quality standards and demands, and adapts its compressors to suit the requirements of the customer. Sauer Compressors provides the highest standard of forward-thinking expertise and quality. Intensive research and continuous development of new products, as well as improvement of existing ones, are just as important as the high-quality production of compressors and tests under simulated field conditions. All this ensures solutions to suit the customer, reliable performance data, and a long lifespan of the compressors. Sauer Compressors are highly modern, yet affordable premium products. Quality is not over when a product is dispatched. Once a compressor has left the factory, comprehensive customer care is the most important task for our service engineers and service stations. Knowledge about local customs, the quick supply of genuine Sauer spare parts, and the right technical and logistical support is ensured through our affiliated companies, agencies and dealers. Quick, reliable, and in the customer's native language. Long-term maintenance and service contracts, as well as our innovative service products, Sauer Easy Care and Sauer Fixed Budget, enhance our portfolio. Field-orientated training sessions which take place near to the customer or in our training center round off our service products. Globalization is an opportunity. The company's own growth has been supported by the purchase of Giraudin Sauer SA in Paris, Sauer Zandorf in the Czech Republic, Sauer Compressors USA Incorporated in Maryland, the joint venture LG Sauer Compressors Limited in India, and Amrid Sauer Compressori in Italy, as well as through the sales and service branches of Sauer UK in Colchester and Sauer Asia in Shanghai. Sauer Compressors is one of the leading providers of high-pressure compressor technology worldwide.